sponsors, support crews of the event.
Thought I'd rather see through this game of time that I was playing with you. So you weren't ready and I understand now. But babe, fragile love's not meant for two. I picked you up at 3 a.m. You were drunk and I just a little lonely. My brain said yes and like my rather cut my losses than to give myself to you. Like a battleship in open war, I'll be going down with you. I'd rather cut my losses than to give myself to you. You left me in pieces with memories for two. I thought I'd rather see through this game of time that I was losing to you. I wasn't ready and I understand now. Babe, a fragile heart is now free. I picked you up at 3 a.m. You were drunk and I just a little lonely. My brain said yes, unlike my heart. Oh, I'd rather cut my losses than to give myself to you. Like a battleship in open war, I'll be going down with you. Rather cut my losses than to give myself to you. You left me in pieces with memories for two. And I sold my time so we'd be together. And I sought the goal, it was for love. You made me feel like this was forever. Instead